Hey guys, and in today's video, let's take a look at G9-14, which is a metal cage for the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So this accessory, guys, is gonna be perfect for you if you want to vlog with your GoPro and, for example, you already have a microphone adapter and you don't want to buy an expensive media mod for it. So let's take a look what we have inside. So this is, guys, what we have inside of the package, and this is a G9-14 metal cage for GoPro Hero 9 Black and a microphone adapter. The main reason why I could be interested in this product is, as I said before, if you want to vlog with your GoPro and at the same time have that solid bit of protection, especially all around the edges, as you notice. So this cage, guys, is made from aluminum metal and it really feels like a premium quality product. It really doesn't feel like a cheap accessory or something like that. So the G9-14 metal cage, guys, has 3 cold shoe mounts, and that's gonna be 1 at the top and 2 on the sides. So for example, guys, you can mount your microphone adapter on the side, have an external microphone on the top, and this cold shoe mount can be used for either a light or some other accessory. Unfortunately, if you plan to use it with the GoPro Lite mode, the cold shoe mount doesn't have a tight fit, so if you plan to use it with it, you can easily lose it. So in this case, it's simply better to connect it to a light that has a tightening wheel. Now, if we take a look at the bottom of this accessory, you will notice there are 2 foldable fingers, almost the same like we have in the Hero 8 and Hero 9 Black. And since we are already here, guys, notice that at the bottom of this cage there is a 1/4 tripod adapter. So if you want to mount your cage on a regular tripod, you can also do that. And if that's not enough for you, at the top of this cage you can find 2 additional threads for your tripod or your accessories. And what's cool about it, guys, is that it's compatible with the regular GoPro mounts, selfie sticks, handles, tripod threads, or you can even mount it on your body. So this is the microphone adapter holder that I was talking about, and it can be used with the original GoPro mic adapter. Please notice that at the side of this holder there is a tightening knob. So if you want to put your microphone adapter, you just have to loosen it up, put your microphone adapter in here and tighten it. Also, guys, I think it's worth to mention that this microphone holder should be used with this cold shoe mount, because this is the only cold shoe mount that has this special fail-safe mechanism, and thanks to that, your microphone holder is not gonna slip out accidentally. Now, if you take a closer look on the inside of this cage, you will notice that there is some slight foam material, both on the side as well as on the top. And when you're gonna slide your camera into the cage, it's simply gonna protect you from scratching your camera. Alright, guys, and now let's put our GoPro Hero 9 Black inside the cage. Alright guys, so this is how this accessory looks like on a GoPro Hero 9 Black already mounted in it, and I must tell you guys, it looks so badass. Just look at the design, it's so great, it looks like a beast. So the G9-14 by itself weighs around 159 grams. And with the GoPro Hero 9 Black in it, it weighs around 306 grams. So guys, from the side we have an access to the mode button, so if you want to turn on your camera or cycle between the modes, you can do that. From the top, we have access to the shutter button, so if you want to start the recording or stop it, you can do that as well. And from the side, if you want to charge your camera while recording, for example time-lapse, you can do that as well. Or you can connect it to a microphone adapter and then connect it to external microphone. Now guys, if we open this battery door, notice that we can quite easily change the batteries if we need to. Just like that. And this is exactly the reason why we have to remove our battery door from our GoPro. Now, what's cool about the G9-14 guys is that you don't have to remove your camera if you want to replace a protective lens and swap it for ND filter or max lens mode. So the basic idea, guys, how we can use this product is to simply connect a microphone adapter through the USB-C port and then attach an external microphone at the top, and from the side you can attach a light or some other accessory as well. I just want to quickly remind guys that only one cold shoe mount has this fail-safe mechanism, and if you take a look at other cold shoe mounts, you'll see that they don't have it. So it's best to attach it from this side if you don't want to scratch your cage. Now let's assume that you're not going to use external microphones with this cage. Are the microphones obstructed in any way, or is the audio quality worse in this cage? Let's find out. So this is how the GoPro Hero 9 Black sounds without the cage. Once again, I'm recording this with the GoPro Hero 9 Black only. And now let's hear how the GoPro Hero 9 Black gonna sound inside the cage. So right now you're listening to GoPro Hero 9 Black mounted into G9-14. How does it sound? Once again, you're listening to the camera mounted inside the cage. How does it sound? Alright guys, so let's summarize it all. As I said before, the G9-14 cage gonna be quite an interesting solution for everyone who wants to vlog with their GoPro, and perhaps you already have a microphone adapter for it. So this way you don't have to buy the media mode for it. And what's great about it, guys, is that even if you're not going to vlog with your camera, you can still use it, because you can mount it on a tripod, or for example, even if you drop it out of your hand, it's gonna give you that extra bit of protection. So I think it's great. And when you compare it to media mode, for example, I think that media mode is quite fragile and it's made out of plastic. So if you drop a media mode, it's pretty much done. And if you drop your camera in a G9-14, it's definitely gonna survive the fall. Alright guys, so for today's video that's it. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you learned something from it. And if you did, please give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss on my future content, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!